Here's how to replace narration to your recording. First, go to the point on your timeline where you want to start or replace the narration. Click on Tools and select Narrate, or you can just press the N key. A purple span will appear indicating the placement of your narration. To adjust, select the section by dragging the purple bars along the timeline, or if you click on the start or end of the span, you can use the arrow keys to fine-tune your selection. If you want to preview the area you selected, press the Preview button. It will go right before the section, then play through, replacing the narration with silence and stopping shortly after the section. Once you are positioned in the right spot, click the Start button, and you'll see a screen like this, which has controls so you can record the new narration while playing back your video. You can choose the microphone to use here, or click on Webcam to activate your webcam while narrating. While recording your narration, you can also freeze the video by clicking on it and draw using your mouse. To choose the color and size of the drawing tool, press the Draw Preferences button. In addition to freezing, you can also add hold points to the timeline so the video will freeze at that particular spot so you can talk as much as you want, then unfreeze the video when you are ready. For example, if we wanted to add a hold point here, we would click on the plus hold button above the timeline, and to remove the hold, press the minus hold button. You'll notice that there is a hold dot automatically added at the end of the timeline. This means that the tool will hold at the very end of your selection to let you finish up talking. Let's show an example by seeking back to the start and clicking the Record button. The video starts playing and we can narrate along. When the video reaches the hold point, it will freeze and we can draw on the screen or continue narrating in more detail. When we're done with the hold, we can click the Stop Holding button down in the lower left corner or press the H key. If you mess up in your narration and want to start over, you can click the trash can icon to restart, which will delete the audio recorded but leave any hold markers you added to the timeline. When you are done narrating, click the Done button. A colored span will show on the timeline where it was added. If you want to later undo the narration, you can seek back to that spot on the timeline, then click this icon, which will bring up a menu with another icon you can press to remove the narration you added.